Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find the best deals for hotels on Hotwire. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Hotwire account, which of course I've done right here. First things first, how can you create an account on Hotwire? Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type hotwire.com, and that's going to take you into the Hotwire official website. Once you get in there, follow through with the on-screen prompts by clicking on the sign up button to create your account. Now, after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Hotwire. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to find the best deals for hotels on Hotwire. So from here, you're going to have to set the tab to hotels. All right, so it's hotel, cars, flights, bundles. Set it to hotels. So now that has been set to hotels, all right, so go ahead and, take this backwards. All right, so I'm just going to take it backwards. It's set to hotels, or you can set it to hotels from here. So if you want to find the best deal, scroll the way down and you're going to find these categories, right? Travel with Hotwire, get to know Hotwire, customer service, but now with Hotwire. So go ahead and click on deals. Search all hotel deals. Okay. Where to? Say Florida. Check in at that date, check out at that date, guess how many rooms, 1 room, to guests, not 2, 1. Use the minus or use the plus to increase it, the minus to decrease, and done. So click on the find hotel button. A page is loading up. Ta-da! Here you go. So this is the deal of the day. Hot rates. This is the deal of the day. 40% off, enhanced safety. So you can actually click on this and go ahead and explore and place your booking. All right, if you scroll the way down, you're going to find another one. 35% off. Beautiful. And this is 30% off. And this is 32% off, 30% off, 37% off. So go ahead and select any of those deals and follow through with the on-screen prompts, which are self-explanatory, to place your booking. But this is pretty much how you can find the best deals for hotels on Hotwire. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.